what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit which I'm very happy to present you because this is my first ever model kit from the Max factory, and this is their 10th anniversary release, which is from the Super Dimensional Fortress Macross line, and this is the VF-1 Battroid Valkyrie, and I'm very happy to have this kit because this is my first ever Macross kit. And in my previous videos or unboxing vlogs, I did unbox a Macross kit from Bandai, which is the VF or VF-1 Siegfried, something like that, from Farina Genos, but that's a trash. That kit is really trash due to the fact that the plastic quality is brittle, especially in the ankle part. I was about to throw that kit, but I managed to modify the ankles by replacing the parts from different kits, and still the kit is there in my shelf, and I don't want to play that due to the fact that the plastic is not that good. And now I saw this Macross VF-1 Battroid mode Valkyrie here. I'm very happy because this is a playable kit. I want to pair this with the RX-78 models because I'm collecting ancient Mecha. Not so ancient, but I really like protagonist kits from the 70s or 80s anime. So I'm presenting you this kit from PLAMAX Big West Super Dimensional Fortress Macross by Hikaru Ichijo. Okay, let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. This is a 1/72 scale, by the way. Yep, my first ever VF-1J Valkyrie in a Battroid mode, meaning this is not a transformable kit. So it's very good because I hate transforming kits. So as much as possible, I just like to display my transformable kits as the model suit or the mobile suit mode, not in the jet fighter mode or the plane mode, ship mode, something like that. Not to display them on that mode. So I have this 10th anniversary release by PLAMAX Super Dimensional Fortress Macross, and my first ever Max Factory. So there we can see this very handsome looking kit here, white knight in shining armor, but I'm just a little disappointed on this kit. Later you will find out, because yeah, later I will show you. So on the side of the box here, we can see this front view here, back view, the running mode view, and this posing mode here. So this kit is posable kit due to the fact that this has polycaps with pros and cons. Of course, polycaps is not that good in the long run, something like that. There we have here the separated. It should be like this. If you transform, this is transformable, it will look like this. But yep, this is sold separately. And this is Lin Minmei, one of the love interest of the pilot Hikaru Ichijo, but he married his superior, which is I forgot her name. I think Nisa, something like that. So he didn't marry this singer. Instead, he married his superior. Okay, let's open this box and let's see what's inside. You can see here the instruction manual with the same picture in the box art. And there we got the first part of the manual. We can see the clips from the anime, and there the parts list here is not that much. This is simple. This is a simple build as I scanned a while ago. This is a beginner friendly kit and is recommendable to those who want to start building their non-Gunpla kits. So there we have this printout here with emphasis on the red colors here. So as I talk about my frustration or disappointment on this kit, it's because of this water transfer decals here. So these are water transfer decals. The kit doesn't have any red colored pieces or plastic parts. It doesn't have any color red separation or color red separated plastic parts. So you need to do the water slide transfer here, which, to be honest, I don't like doing this water slide decals in my previous Gundam models, but now I think I will practice it here. I will do this here because I don't like the very white flat colored thing after you finish this build. So let's see. All of the parts here are white. So these are white. All are white here. Doesn't have any red colored runner here, but judging the plastic details of this kit here, these are fantastic. The plastic details, the panel line opportunity here are great. You see, these are all white runners. The gray parts here are for the inner frame part, and the boosters, the feet, the cannons or the rifle. Polycaps are gray, and again, all are white. Fucking white. These are the gray parts, inner frame parts. We got this clear pieces for the visor and the lights on the shoulder and the knees, and all white, fucking white. So you need to apply this water slide transfer decals here. So it doesn't have any stickers included aside from these one. So I will practice my water slide transfer on this kit. My first time also. Since this is my first time to have PLAMAX or Max Factory kit, now it's also my first time applying this. Okay, so as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And of course, this kit is all white, or the armor pieces or armor parts are all white. So we got here runner G. So it's the runner names are, you know, hard to see because of this small emblems here of the letter. So this is runner G for the leg parts, and judging or feeling the texture of the plastic here. It's it's very smooth, very nice. The plastic quality here is very good. Then you got here the hand parts, runner eye. So it has a big hands, but unfortunately I will not use this hand because I will use the Dallin 1/100 scale hands instead of this non-moving hands. Then we got here runner B. We got runner A for this back parts. We got these small circles here for runner J. We got runner H for the leg parts. We got this runner C here for the torso parts. We got runner D, Hikaru Ichijo figure. So it's up to you if you want to, or it's up to me if I want to build this, but of course I'll just keep this. Then we got this runner JA for white colored parts. I think this one for the head, this for the visor here. Yep. Then this is runner E and runner F for the hands. We got runner K here for the black parts, black inner frame parts, and this greenish gray part here for the guns, and this runner L, and greenish gray again for runner M, inner frame parts and the feet parts. Also we got this greenish gray runner here for this is the polycaps. So this kit will use tons of polycaps. We got transparent parts here for the visor and for the lights on the shoulder and the knees. Okay, and don't forget we got, of course, the water slide transfer decals. So my tip of advice before building the kit, I think, or I might do the water slide transfer process, due to the fact that if I do the straight build of this kit, I might have a hard time applying the water slide after building it or straight building it. So I might do the water slide transfer before I build it. So I will remove the parts from the runners, then apply the water slide immediately. Okay, but if you have a technique to recommend, you can put it in the comment section for the viewers to follow as well. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care, and thank you for watching this unboxing of the Macross model kit here from the Big West. And this is the PLAMAX 172 scale VF-1J Battroid Valkyrie from Max Factory. See you next time. Until then, masalama, auf Wiedersehen, paalam sa inyong lahat. Goodbye.